never mind, things are good again. Took the time in my life to figure it out, and I can't let real life bring me down, down, down. Cause I could run across the world, and everywhere I go, I see my name in bright lights. If I keep it up, I know that I could fly. I feel like it's a good life, and when I feel it most, I feel like I could fly. I could fly. Yeah. I get away when I need it most. Cause I could find myself outside of the shapes and the lines that I draw in my mind.